Atheism generally quotes science and challenges theism, but in reality, science is neutral on the issue of God. Science itself looks for the unknown on the basis of presumptions. Many times these presumptions are found wrong, and many times they are found true. There is no guarantee that a scientific assumption will be always true. Sometime back in December 2011, a comet named Lovejoy was about to enter Sun's atmosphere. Scientists predicted that it will be destroyed. But comet Lovejoy not only entered into the Sun's atmosphere, but it emerged out of it without much harm, and thus proving the scientists wrong. We all know about Einstein. He didn't believe in black holes. He rejected the idea of black holes, and he actually proved using math. But after his death, scientists discovered black holes. The point is, not only certain assumptions and calculations of science are found wrong, but even the great scientists and their claims are found wrong. Some time ago, scientists used certain formulas and estimated the mass of the universe. Then they found that the actual mass of observed universe did not match up to the estimate. So the dark matter was hypothesized. Now an educated guesswork supports existence of dark matter which is yet to be discovered. I am mentioning all this because it shows that science is not always right, and neither it claims such. In fact, science encourages curiosity and does not mute new ideas. Now if we look at the crucible of evolution, then we see that certain dead atoms partnering together to form life. Then they convert other dead atoms, that is the food, and then baptize them into living bodies, and thus making the dead the living. And all this is achieved by the first few dead atoms. To believe such thing is supernatural in itself. That is why there is a strong possibility of something beyond the physical, maybe God. This observation is good enough for a curious mind to explore and seek God. Thus to search and look for the God is totally scientific. Contrary to this, the belief that there is absolutely no God is unscientific. Science does not claim that things which are not yet discovered are non-existing. So if atheists want to claim that there is no God, then they must bring in evidences supporting that there is absolutely no God. The burden of proof lies on them. As such, atheists cannot provide any scientific evidences supporting their claim that there is no God. It is valid to call their claim as a belief or a blind faith. Interestingly, in desperation, we see atheists claim that all religions are man-made, and then they conclude that failure of a religion means there is no God. How strange. Atheists also compare different religions and conclude that there is no God. How can they conclude when they themselves believe that religions are man-made? So, even if religions are against one another, they all agree that there is existence of something beyond physical. Atheism totally fails in proving itself as scientific. It also fails to prove its claim even after posing one religion against another. In conclusion, searching for God and to believe in God's existence is scientific approach, whereas the belief that there is no God is nothing but a blind faith.